Hello, son. I came back from work. What a tiring day. How are you?
Hello, Dad. I'm fine. I made some rice with eggs for dinner.
Oh, that's great. I like it. What happened? Why are you sad?
No, nothing. Everything's fine. Let's eat. I also made some lemonade.
That's excellent. That's my son. But why is the house dirty? Didn't you clean it?
Oh, the house. I'm sorry. I arrived a little late today. I just made dinner.
Don't worry. That's okay. I will clean the house after dinner.
No. I will do it later. But there's something I have to tell you.
What is it? What makes you sad, my dear son? Tell me.
It's the teacher. She keeps telling me about the books and... No, never mind.
Wait, what happened? Why don't you want to tell me?
The teacher wants me to buy the books for tomorrow, but I know we can't.
Oh, your books. Yes, I know. I talked to my boss. He will give me an extra job.
What? But you work all day and have 2 jobs. What time will you work in that garden?
I go to work at 8 in the evening. I have 3 hours free. That's enough.
But what time will you have dinner? That's too much work.
I can come here to eat with you, but it will be very fast, just 10 minutes.
I don't like that. I can work. Mr. David told me he has a job for me.
No, you need to focus on your studies. You are an excellent student.
Yes, I study hard because I know it's important. But I can work and study.
No, you won't do that. You're 13 years old. You need to focus on your studies.
But I don't like your work too much. You always come home very tired.
I am a strong person. One day I will rest easy when I see you become a professional.
I don't like that you work so much. You need to relax.
I couldn't study at the university because I didn't have money, but you will.
I know, Dad. I will do my best.
We make a great team. I work hard, and you study hard and clean the house.
Yes, I can handle it. I can borrow my partner's book for now.
Next week, you will have your own books, I promise.
I have something else to tell you. I hope you understand me.
What did you do? Don't tell me you did something bad in school.
No. I help my partners with their homework, and they give me money.
Are you doing your friend's homework? I don't like that.
No, I just help them by explaining the concepts and the homework.
But let me help you with some things around the house.
I already have $30. That's enough to buy at least 4 books.
I couldn't be more proud of you. Seriously, I sometimes forget you are not a child anymore.
I just want to help you. I see you every day. You work hard all day. You're very tired.
Now, let's have dinner together. That won't change. Don't worry.
I love you, Dad. Thank you. I'm going to serve the food.
I love you too, son. Let's eat together.
I hope you like the food. I worked hard on it.
I'm sure I will. You always cook well.
Thanks, Dad. It means a lot to me.
Remember, we are a team. We support each other.
Yes, Dad. I'll always do my best.
And I'll always be proud of you.
Let's enjoy dinner now. Tomorrow will be better.
Absolutely. We'll get through this together.
Yes, we will. Thank you for everything, Dad.
You're welcome, son. Now, let's eat.
Okay, Dad. I'll serve the food.
This rice and eggs are delicious. You did a great job.
I'm glad you like it, Dad. The lemonade is good too.
It is. You always know how to make a meal special.
Thanks. I just want you to be happy after a long day.
I am, especially when I see your efforts.
I'll keep trying my best, Dad.
That's all I ask. Your dedication means the world to me.
And your support means everything to me.
We're a great team, son. Together, we can handle anything.
Yes, we can. Thanks for always believing in me.
I always will. Now, let's finish this delicious dinner.
Sure thing, Dad. Let's enjoy our meal.
After dinner, we'll relax a bit. You deserve a break too.
That sounds nice. I could use some rest.
We both could. Let's take it easy tonight.
Agreed. We'll face tomorrow with fresh energy.
Exactly. For now, let's just be together and enjoy.
I love these moments with you, Dad.
Me too, son. They are the best part of my day.
Let's make the most of them.
Always. Now, let's eat and relax.
Yes, let's. This is a good ending to a long day.
It sure is. Cheers to us, son.
Cheers, Dad.